Creating high-quality voiceovers is essential for engaging content.
How do you know about that?
But many AI tools like Speechify, Synthesia, and Lovo.ai produce robotic, unnatural speech, leading to a mechanical listening experience.
Right. I totally agree.
Additionally, limited customization options make it challenging to achieve the desired tone and style for your content. Together with those options, AI tools may also struggle with accurate pronunciation, especially for complex terms or names, resulting in miscommunication.
I don't want you to say my song.
These challenges can lead to increased production time and costs, as creators must invest additional resources to achieve the desired quality. Introducing Murf AI, an innovative solution that addresses these issues head-on.
No offense, but how?
Murf AI offers a versatile AI text-to-speech generator that provides a wide range of customizable voices to help you create realistic and human-sounding voiceovers. With over 120 AI voices across 20 languages, Murf provides lifelike narrations that resonate with audiences. In this video, we'll explore how Murf AI simplifies and accelerates voiceover creation with its intelligent, fast, and intuitive features. Introduction to Murf AI. Murf AI is an advanced voiceover tool designed to empower creators, educators, marketers, and developers to produce professional-grade audio effortlessly. Whether it's generating realistic voiceovers, customizing tones, or syncing audio with video, Murf makes it as simple as typing a script. This next-generation platform bridges the gap between creativity and technology by letting you create stunning voiceovers without the need for recording equipment or professional voice artists. Murf helps you save time, reduce costs, and achieve flawless results every time. So, how does Murf AI stand out in the crowded world of voiceover tools? Let's dive into its incredible advantages. 4 powerful advantages of using Murf AI. 1. Realistic AI voices. Murf offers a library of lifelike AI voices in multiple languages, accents, and tones. Whether you need a conversational voice for a podcast or a formal tone for a business presentation, Murf delivers high-quality results. These voices are meticulously designed to sound natural, ensuring your audience connects with your content effortlessly. 2. Customizable voice profiles. Tailor each voice to match your project's tone. Adjust pitch, speed, and emphasis for perfect delivery every time. Murf's customization options ensure your voiceovers resonate with your audience. This flexibility allows you to create unique and consistent audio for every project. 3. Seamless video integration. Sync your voiceovers with video content effortlessly. Murf's intuitive timeline editor allows you to align audio with visuals in real time, saving hours of post-production work. This feature ensures your projects have professional-grade synchronization without the need for advanced editing skills. 4. Affordable and scalable. With Murf, you don't need expensive recording equipment or professional studios. It's a cost-effective solution that scales with your needs, making it perfect for freelancers, startups, and enterprises alike. Murf's pricing model ensures you get premium-quality voiceovers without straining your budget. Now that we've covered the advantages, let's explore the features that make Murf AI a must-have tool. 4 incredible features of Murf AI. 1. Text-to-speech conversion. How it works: simply type or upload a script, choose a voice, and let Murf convert your text into natural-sounding speech. Example in action: creating an e-learning module? Upload your lesson script. Pick a professional educational voice and generate a clear, engaging voiceover in minutes. 2. AI voice cloning. How it works: Murf's voice cloning technology lets you replicate a specific voice while maintaining high fidelity. Use this feature for branding or consistent voiceovers. Example in action: need the same voice for a series of marketing videos? Clone it once and use it across projects without additional recording sessions. 3. Voice style customization. How it works: modify tone, speed, pitch, and pauses to achieve the desired emotion or emphasis. Example in action: transform a neutral voice into an energetic, upbeat tone for an advertisement, or adjust it to a calm, soothing style for a meditation app. 4. Multilingual support. How it works: Murf supports multiple languages and accents, enabling global outreach with culturally relevant voiceovers. Murf AI's tools and features are designed to help you create voiceovers smarter, not harder. Let's walk through a quick tutorial to get started. Tutorial: How to use Murf AI. Step 1. Sign up and upload your script. Create an account on Murf AI and start by typing or uploading your script. Supported file types, text documents, PDFs, and more. Step 2. Choose a voice. Browse Murf's library of AI voices. Filter by language, accent, and style. Voice types. Choose conversational for podcasts. Step 3. Customize your voiceover. Fine-tune your audio with Murf's editor. Adjust pitch for energy, speed for pacing, and emphasis for key phrases. Step 4. Generate and download. Click Generate to create your voiceover. Export as MP3, WAV, or integrated video. Step 5. Review and publish. Review the output, refine it, and seamlessly integrate it with your project. 4. Use cases of Murf AI across industries. 1. Content creators. Enhance your videos, podcasts, and tutorials with professional voiceovers. Murf ensures your audience stays engaged with lifelike audio that complements your content perfectly. Whether you're a YouTuber or a podcaster, Murf helps you deliver polished and captivating content effortlessly. 2. Marketers. Produce captivating ads, product demos, and promotional videos faster. With Murf, your campaigns can feature consistent, high-quality voiceovers that drive conversions. You can craft tailored messages for different audiences, ensuring your brand resonates globally. Plus, Murf's fast turnaround time helps you keep up with tight marketing deadlines without compromising quality. Its professional output enhances brand credibility and helps build trust with your target audience. 3. Educators and trainers. Create engaging e-learning modules, tutorials, and training content effortlessly. Murf's clarity and precision make it ideal for instructional material. The customizable voices allow you to maintain a consistent and approachable tone across all lessons. Additionally, multilingual support ensures accessibility for diverse learners worldwide. With Murf, educators can focus on delivering knowledge while the tool handles the heavy lifting of professional audio production. 4. Game developers. Add immersive voiceovers to characters and narratives in your games. Murf provides a cost-effective way to bring your stories to life with dynamic voice options. Its ability to customize tone and emotion helps create deeper character connections and authentic storytelling. Murf empowers developers to push creative boundaries without the need for expensive voice acting resources. Of course, like any tool, Murf AI has its limitations. 3 disadvantages of Murf AI. 1. Limited emotional range. While Murf's voices are realistic, some nuanced emotions may still require human recording. However, regular updates ensure continuous improvement in expressiveness. For projects demanding deep emotional impact, combining Murf's voices with human input can achieve a balanced result. As the technology evolves, more advanced features are being added to capture subtle tones and emotions effectively. 2. Dependence on scripts. Murf requires well-written scripts for optimal output. Poorly structured or vague input may lead to subpar results, making it essential to craft clear content. Investing time in creating detailed and precise scripts ensures the generated audio matches your vision. 3. Cloud-based processing. Murf processes audio in the cloud, which may raise privacy concerns for sensitive projects. Opting for on-premise solutions or encrypted connections can address this issue. Developers handling confidential data should review Murf's security measures to ensure compliance with industry standards. Conclusion: Murf AI revolutionizes voiceover creation by offering realistic AI voices, advanced customization, and seamless integration. Whether you're creating content for entertainment, education, or marketing, Murf saves time and delivers exceptional quality. Its multilingual support ensures global reach, allowing creators to connect with diverse audiences effortlessly. Additionally, Murf's intuitive platform makes professional-grade voiceover production accessible even to those with minimal technical expertise. A fun fact about Murf AI: the name Murf reflects simplicity and approachability, much like the tool itself. Ready to amplify your content? Subscribe for more tutorials, tools, and tips to elevate your voiceover game.